Hey everybody, have you seen the news? These stocks I'm about to show you are going to be huge. Have you seen the numbers? The data numbers for the weekend. Black Friday was huge, and these stocks and the news I'm about to show you is going to be crazy. All the stocks I'm about to show you right now is going to be a huge buy in my opinion. Check this out. First, let's look at the news. In 2025, U.S. online Black Friday sales reached a record-breaking 11.8 billion, up 91% from the previous year. The economy is struggling, right? But people are still buying. And this is going to be huge for these kind of stocks, like retail stocks, Amazon, etc. I'm going to show you the chart. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at. The total sales across online and in-store channels are projected to be even higher. We haven't even hit Cyber Monday yet. This is Black Friday. With some estimates for online spending on Thanksgiving and Black Friday combined, it reached 18 billion. Key growth areas include video game consoles, electronics, and home appliances. 2020 Black Friday sales online, a record 11.8 billion, 18 billion total, an increase of 9.1%. Check this out. Peak hourly spending, sales reached 12.5 million per minute. 12.5 million per minute. Record-breaking Thanksgiving online spending. Look, if you're an online retail stock or retail company, yeah, you did good Black Friday. U.S. consumers spent a record 6.4 billion online on Thanksgiving Day alone. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And here are the trends. If you have retail stocks, you're probably going to do good on Monday morning. Video game consoles, electronics, home appliance saw a significant sales increase. Mobile dominance. Mobile devices were the primary shopping tool for over half of the online consumers, with mobile spending increased 14.1%. This is big. This is big for online companies who do a lot of business online, and you know who I'm talking about. So there's a shift to online purchases, less brick and mortar. So hey, Amazon, I see you. Previous year's data: 2024 10.8, 2023 9.8, and you can see 9.12, 8.92, and 9 billion. So this is increasing more and more. 2024 10.8, this year 11.8. So we're up 9.1% from 1 year ago. Stocks that may benefit Black Friday: retailers, Walmart and Amazon. Stocks that may benefit from Black Friday: major retailers, Walmart, Amazon. I bought these stocks on Friday. If you're in the Discord, you would have caught it, because Walmart and Amazon were trading kind of strange near the end of the day, between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock. And I noticed something very suspicious. They were buying shares, but the price level was being held down. And then just before close, it pumped up, because Black Friday sales are going to be huge this year. And we haven't even hit Cyber Monday. Stocks with the seasonal boost: Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. Companies in retail and logistics sectors typically see increased activity, potentially a short-term stock gain during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and shopping period. I just said it. Major retailers, large general merchandise retailers with strong online and physical store presence tend to be major winners. Just said that too. Walmart, Amazon, Target, Best Buy. So if any of these stocks are in a decline, yeah, next week it's going to look good. Now, let's do some research on the stocks and see which of these 4 stocks are going to look good. Let's start with the first one. Best Buy has been an uptrend for a while now, ever since April. So this has been doing pretty good for a long time. A slow rise up for Best Buy. Daily candlesticks has been doing pretty good last week as well. Downtrend here, but it has started to go up again. So Best Buy could get a decent boost. But the main ones, are coming up. Target has been looking kind of sluggish, right? But this Black Friday could help it out a little bit. Target financials haven't been the greatest like Walmart, but it could give a boost. Now the last 2 is the ones I saved because these are huge. Walmart, as you can see, weekly candlesticks for Walmart are amazing. It's just been going up. Had a slight downtrend here, but it was possibly just a profit take because it's already broken that resistance right here at the 104, and now it's at 110. So Walmart can even go higher, right? Because it has broken resistance at 104, where it struggled before, and now it broke it again. So there's room to go much higher. The dip was bought at 78. That was an amazing dip to buy. And now we're at 110.70. And the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas is going to be huge for Walmart for sure. Amazon. Now, Amazon, this is the one I like the most because Walmart has been up a lot ever since April, just like Best Buy. It's been in a nice uptrend, $79 to $110. Amazon, nice uptrend, but it had a huge sell-off from $258 all the way down to $214. Why? Because the earnings were great and it pumped up. And I think it had a deal. I forgot what deal it was, but they had a deal with some company. So it went from $214 to $258, right? And then it went down. Why? Because profit taking. No other reason at all. The reason why I say that is because Amazon has been consolidating at the 211, the 230, the 220 area for a long time. And when the stock consolidates for a long time, it's only gaining momentum to go up again. And that's what it did. It consolidated from here all the way back in July 3rd, 2025 to October 24. And the crazy thing about it is that it was also in this area back in 2024, around December and February. So it's been consolidating in this area for a long time, the 210, the 220, 230 area. So that means Amazon is actually oversold and underappreciated. This stock could go much higher. It's been held down. Why? Because, I don't know. They want to buy more shares. That's what I'm assuming. So Amazon can go much higher, maybe next week starting, or the week after that. Right now, the resistance at 235. That should be easily broken by next week, in my opinion, unless they hold it down to buy more shares, before it goes higher. 235 resistance, 245 resistance. So $10 difference. 235, 245. Those should be easily broken. The 235 and 245, no problem at all. The resistance where we're going to come into is going to be around the 255 to 260 area for Amazon. So from 233, which we're at right now, all the way to 245, I see a clear road. I don't see anybody blocking this stock from 233 to 245. There's no reason at all. A lot of consolidation already, good earnings, major deals, Black Friday, Christmas, Cyber Monday, all good news. Huge catalyst for Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. So Amazon is my favorite one out of all of these. And then I would say Walmart, because Walmart has always been doing good. Target, great, but the financials aren't that great. Best Buy, good, but most of everything they sell are electronics. So Amazon and Walmart is going to be the best ones in my opinion. And my favorite one is going to be Amazon because of this dip right here. 258 to 215, a huge sell-off for no reason except for profit taking. So yeah, we can actually go to 250 no problem at some point, but at 235, 245 shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be a problem next week. That's what I'm looking at, and I see a huge buy for Amazon and Walmart, definitely. And these stocks are great. These stocks are great, and I'll continue to find more stocks for you. Just subscribe to the channel, like, and comment if you want to see another stock chart. Hope everybody had a great holiday. Subscribe. Take care.